Hello students, welcome to the next session of Open Elective course Air Pollution Control Techniques. In the last session, we have discussed fabric filter. In a fabric filter, flue gas is passed through a tightly woven or felted fabric, causing particulate matter in the flue gas to be collected on the fabric by sieving and other mechanism. Fabric filter may be in the form of sheets, cartridge or bag with number of individual fabric filter units housed together in a group. Bags are the most common type of fabric filter. We have discussed principle, construction and working of bag filter along with the parameters which affects collection efficiency of bag filter. We have also discussed its advantages, limitations and industrial application. In today's session, we are going to cover electrostatic precipitator. The goal for today's lecture is to demonstrate an understanding of the basic of electrostatic precipitator, principle, construction and working of electrostatic precipitator used to control particulate emissions generated by stationary sources of air pollution by successfully completing the review questions at the end of the topic. At the end of this session, you will able to describe the basic principle, construction and working mechanism of electrostatic precipitator used to control particulate emissions generated by stationary sources of air pollution. You will able to recognize structure or various parts of electrostatic precipitator and describe their operation, how they collect particulate matter. You will able to list the type of electrostatic precipitator. You will able to describe the factors that affect the collection efficiency along with its safety precautions. You will able to understand the advantages, limitations and industrial application of electrostatic precipitator. With this, I welcome you all for the next session of this subject. Thank you.